Hi, in this video I will show you how to connect WhatsApp on Smart TV. So typically your Smart TV have a Google Play installed. So it's actually typical for Android TV that you have. And then from in there, just click onto the search bar. Now onto the search bar, search in here for WhatsApp. And then you should be able to see near this WhatsApp Messenger. What you can do is you can click onto this install option that we can see right here, and then from in there, just sign in into your actual WhatsApp account in order to access it. So alternatively, you can also head over to your browser and then go to web.whatsapp.com. Now, once you're onto that particular link, you can see the WhatsApp login button or login option as well as sign up option from there. So just head over right here into this link and then go and then just sign up into your actual WhatsApp in order to connect those two together from in there. So that's how you connect WhatsApp on Smart TV. Hope we help.